Loaded with a ton of exciting features, macOS 15 Sequoia is a major update. As of now, macOS Sequoia is available in both developer and public betas for rigorous testing. Once the testing is done, Apple is going to roll out macOS 15 during this fall. In this hands-on guide, I'm going to show you how to switch from macOS 15 developer beta to public beta or vice versa without losing any media and data. That said, let's get started. So first up, you have to open the System Settings app on your Mac. Then click on the General option in the left sidebar. After that, choose Software Update. Then you have to click on the tiny info button next to Beta Updates option. Then you have to click on the drop-down menu next to Beta Updates and then select macOS 15 Sequoia Developer Beta or the Public Beta as per your needs. And once you have selected your preferred beta, you have to click on the Done button to return to the Software Update section. Then you have to wait for a few seconds to allow your Mac to check for the available software update. And finally, you have to download and install the latest update as usual. And that's about it. As compared to the developer beta, the public beta is considered to be safe and stable. Therefore, I would suggest you to stay on the macOS public beta in order to ward off major issues. And that's pretty much it. So that's how you can easily switch from macOS 15 Sequoia developer beta to public beta or vice versa on your Mac without losing any media or data. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy macOS tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a good time. Bye-bye.